The relationship between the Republic of Zimbabwe and the United Arab Emirates is a growing one. I'm happy to say that the establishment of an embassy in Abu Dhabi 3 years ago was a significant step in strengthening the relations between Zimbabwe and the UAE. And more recently, the UAE has established an embassy in Harare. Let me say that with respect to the significance of this country for Zimbabwe, Zimbabwe exports approximately 20% of its exports are destined for the UAE, and these include a number of agricultural products and services, and we hope that this will increase in future. In terms of what we are showcasing here at the Zimbabwe Pavilion, we are showcasing a number of opportunities, and these include opportunities in the mining sector, in the tourism sector, in the agricultural sector, infrastructure, and we are doing this through a number of mediums, some videos, some QR codes, some testimonials. We are happy to say that within the area of investment, one of the key investments in tourism is from a group here in the UAE, and we believe it will unlock further investments. We also are happy to see that there are some investments in the agricultural sector where a UAE investor has invested in the agricultural sector. Certainly this country is a country which, for us as a country that wants to attract investment, is a very attractive investment destination. And we believe that we can learn a lot, particularly in the way in which the country has invested in infrastructure, in ICT, and also your service delivery, I think is key, because this is something that we are trying to improve all the time by putting more resources and attention to the issue of ease of doing business. And we believe that the UAE is a very good example in this area.